It's time for another cartoon. Guess who? A shelter for a woodpecker in distress.
My greatest experiment is beginning to move. Tonight's the night. It works. It works. My greatest invention, a mechanical chicken plucker. Cut it out, stupid. I am not a chicken. So maybe I should knock some sense into your head. I must find this chicken plucker a chicken.
Help! Open up! Help! Let me in! Help! Open up!
A chicken. A red-headed chicken. Just what I need. Come in, my little chicken. You are welcome to my humble home and all that it contains.
You can't hardly find people like him anymore. What's all that for?
That's to keep the rain out, my little chicken.
That's funny.
My, what nice plucking feathers you have.
Now cut that out, Buster. Who's the Tin Can Man?
Oh, that's Frankie. He wants to meet you.
Frankly speaking, Frankie, let's be frank and shake. Mechanical genius is picking on me. Hey, what gives here? Try this besides. A chicken plucker. And he thinks I'm a chicken. This cotton-picking chicken plucker's gotta go. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Well, that fractures Frankie.
Frankie is indestructible.
Frankie's all broken up over something. Here you are, Tin Can Man. I got a hot tip for you. Shocking, isn't it? There's some glue and plenty of feathers.
What's this?
What? 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 What?
Wait, Frankie. I am not a chicken. Down, Frankie boy.
Why, I'd be delighted to help a close buddy.
Ouch! Frankie! Oh, stop! Oh! Whoa! Oh, Frankie!